Thank you for stopping by. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Momo Yahaya. Today I shall be teaching you on how to sew this beautiful polo. If you have challenges with on how to cut polo, you can check our previous video. We've shown you on how to cut. Here we are just going to concentrate on how to sew. Sewing polo is not really time taking. The first thing you're going to do while sewing polo is to sew the shoulder. Join the two shoulders together by joining right side together and sewing it from the wrong side. You join the two polo. First join the shoulder join the left side of the shoulder, then join the right side of the shoulder. After that, the next thing you're going to do is to join the sleeve, notch it at the center, then let it correspond with the joining point. So you start sewing from the center of the shoulder, the center of the shoulder at the notched point. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to sew it as shown in the diagram, as shown in the video. While sewing polo, there are a lot of things you need to put into consideration. You just have to know that it is elastic in nature, so you don't have to be stretching it much, so that it's going to be suitable. The most suitable machine used for sewing polo is your overlock machine, which is your weaving machine. Is more suitable because of the elastic nature of the polo. You can use other machines as well, but just know that you have to take care of the elasticity of the material. So now we are joining from the shoulder. We're joining from the sleeve down to the hem point. That's what you're going to do on both sides of it. Now the next thing you're going to do is to join the neck. What you're going to do is to make the neckband. You're going to join the neck after you've got the required length. Make sure that you're going to follow the process in the video. What you're going to do is make it like this, then you sew it round. You're sewing it round so that you'll be having, while you're fixing it, to be easier for you. But if you're good enough, if you've been doing it for long, you don't need to sew it round. So after you've done it like this, you notch it at the center. So for you to get a perfect cycle, what we normally do is notch it at 4 different points, so that you will notch it at 4 different points, so that you will have a perfect cycle, and it will not be it will be very uniform while you are sewing it. Now at this thing, we look at what the procedure I did. Hold it at one part of the shoulder. Shoulder to shoulder does not mean equal part of it. So what you are going to do, you notch it at the center. After you notch it at the center, center, match the center with the shoulder point you make, and get the other part of it, so that you are notching it at 4 different points. 1 from the shoulder, then 2 from the first notching, then 3 the third notching, 4th notching. So what you are now going to do is to match the joining point with the shoulder point. Then the first notch must correspond with the notch on the cloth, on the polo while sewing. This is how you're going to do it. The essence, like I told you, the essence of notching in 4 different points is to make sure you have equal length of expansion all through, so that the neck you will see them as equal. If not, sometimes you will see that some side is slimmer than the other, while some side will be fatter than the other. So this is how you're going to fix it. If you're fixing it, the next thing you're going to do is take it to your hemming machine and hem. So you get this beautiful polo